yeah. My last few miles before 500. Then my break-in will be complete. So it's a special occasion. I just made it to my targeted 500 miles of break-in. Perfect timing. Just made it hit the zippers. Oh man, I can't wait. Got so much stuff planned for this thing now that I've officially broken it in. Got trips planned, got rides planned. My dad and I are going to Milwaukee for Harley homecoming. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Oh, I can't wait. So, yeah, here we go. 500.2 miles. Yes. So, do my first oil change here. I changed the oil. Also, I changed the transmission fluid, and yeah, it's a pretty big day. First oil change. So I just had my first oil change, and now I'm about to get into some miles. So here we go. So this is me and Mrs.'s first time riding a motorcycle together since having children. So what a better way to get some miles in after my first oil change. So here we go. So, Mrs. Bill Robert Pete, how's it feel to be back on a motorcycle?
Feels good.
Feels good?
It was a nice ride.
How's that muscle in the summer feel?
Powerful.
You still feel powerful?
Yes.
You like that, huh?
Yeah, I do.
So money well invested?
Yes. Oh, well, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, okay, appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So we're in Northwest Washington, D.C. at 1865 Big Food and Cigars.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Manny, your 12. You want to start just typically for the 12.
So my wife got her shit super early. So came in for this dude's 40th birthday and he's like 40 now.